EffiMat, the new generation of vertical lifts. For many businesses and logistic operations, the picking speed is absolutely crucial. The traditional vertical lift module often can be a bottleneck for operations, depending on high pick rate. The EffiMat is in a totally different league. Let's look at these differences compared to a traditional VLM, which brings the very high speed of the EffiMat of up to 300 to 400 order lines per hour. We use an example with an order having 5 order lines, and we let the EffiMat and a traditional VLM carry out the picking simultaneously. As the order lines are picked, they will be checked off the displayed order sheet. In real life, a traditional VLM will have 2 items to pick, placed at the same tray in typically 20% of the cases. In other words, the traditional VLM will bring 4 trays to pick 5 items. You will need to bring down a very heavy and large tray to pick perhaps only a single small item. The EffiMat will bring 5 single boxes to pick 5 order lines. This happens with one vertical sequence taking boxes from the different vertical levels of the machine. Notice how the EffiMat can individually control the sections on the lift, allowing several boxes at the same level to be taken at the same time, and boxes to be moved sideways on the lift itself. That allows the lift to take boxes opposite each other and boxes placed above each other at different levels. The vertical movements of the lift in the EffiMat are very fast, as the total weight of the lift and the boxes is substantially lower than the traditional VLM with the lift plus very heavy metal trays filled with items in the full width. The fewer vertical movements and the lower weight also reduce energy consumption, which is up to 50% lower than the traditional VLM, supporting your cost position and the environment. With the EffiMat, you reach a picking speed of 300 to 400 order lines per hour, compared with typically 60 to 100 order lines per hour with a traditional VLM. In other words, every time you normally would need 4 people, and perhaps also more VLMs to handle your picking with traditional VLMs, you will only need 1 person with the EffiMat. Physical integration of more EffiMat machines via openings in the sides will add further to the picking speed. It also removes the time of the system being out of service due to replenishment, as the openings allow automated replenishment. Let us sum up how the new generation EffiMat with its patented principle offers a 4 to 5 times higher picking speed compared to a traditional VLM. Allows handling of items at a single box level. A lot fewer vertical movements by the lift. Sideways movements of the boxes on the lift also while the lift is moving vertically. Fast vertical movements of the lift due to lower weight. The EffiMat Vertical Lift Module is a product program by EffiMat Storage Technology Denmark. Learn more about our full product portfolio and the experienced logistics people behind the products by visiting our website www.effimat.com, where you will also find the contact information you need for us and our partners. EffiMat, the next generation VLM.